Thousands of yoga enthusiasts converged in Nepal's Pokhara Stadium on Sunday, observing International Yoga Day under the theme Yoga for Healthy Aging. Observed annually on June 21, International Yoga Day aims to raise awareness about the physical, mental and spiritual benefits of yoga through various public programs and activities.
यो युएनले पनि पारित गरेर संसारभर आज यो 21 जुनलाई चाहिँ योग दिवसको रूपमा मनाइन्छ र नेपालको लागि भारतको राजदूतावासले हरेक वर्ष विगत 3 वर्षदेखि पोखराको यो रङ्गशालामा आफ्नो तर्फबाट चाहिँ योग दिवस मनाउने कार्यक्रम गर्दै आइरहेको छ। त्यसमा हाम्रो पनि यो वर्ष समेत मेरो पनि चौथो पटक यो कार्यक्रममा म सहभागी भइरहेको छु।
The United Nations General Assembly proclaimed June 21 as International Yoga Day in 2014 following a proposal by Prime Minister Narendra Modi during the 69th session of the General Assembly. The first International Yoga Day was observed on June 21, 2015. Nepal was among the first countries to support the proposal, with then Prime Minister Sushil Koirala endorsing the initiative. The resolution went on to receive backing from the European Union and other UN member states, earning a record 177 co-sponsors within 90 days. Yoga and naturopathy are taught at Nepal's Sanskrit University, while Tribhuvan University also offers yoga studies through its Central Department of Sanskrit.
अब नेपाल पहिलेदेखि नै योग यो हाम्रो हिमाल पहाड कस्तो किसिमको भूगोल छ, यो योगका लागि अथवा हाम्रा अग्रजहरू जो ऋषिमुनिहरू हुनुहुन्थ्यो उहाँहरूले हिमालको फेदमा बसेर तपस्या गरेर यो कुरालाई अगाडि बढाउँछ। अहिले भारतीय राजदूतावासको तर्फबाट जुन यो कार्यक्रम आयोजना भइरहेको छ यसले चाहिँ नेपाल र भारतको जुन सम्बन्ध छ, पिपुल टु पिपुल, जनतादेखि जनतासँगको सम्बन्धलाई यसले अझ उजागर गर्छ र यो अवसरमा म भारतीय राजदूतावास, महामहिम राजदूत लगायत सबैलाई धन्यवाद पनि दिन्छु, किनकि एउटा पोखरा आजको दिनमा योगमय नै हुन्छ र हामीले पनि यो योगलाई अगाडि बढाउनको लागि यो पोखरालाई चाहिँ नि यो एक किसिमले यो योगको प्रमोसन गर्नको लागि विभिन्न कार्यक्रमहरुका साथ अगाडि पनि लगिरहेको अवस्था पनि छ।
Traditionally, yoga, meditation and Ayurveda were regarded as important means of maintaining physical health, mental peace and emotional well-being. In recent decades, growing global recognition of yoga as a tool for wellness and disease prevention has renewed public interest in the practice, including in Nepal.